Today here at the Paradise Bonsai Club here in Ward Village here in Hawaii. Here we are at the Ward Village. They have a Bloom Art Festival here, and I happened to stumble upon a bonsai club that's doing a show here. It's an awesome forest. I'll splice the intro from the owner of this tree. It is a sclerifolia, nerifolia, whatever you call it, but it's in a forest. Really cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 trees. Odd symmetry. Awesome.
Hello, my name is Mike Sato. I'm part of Paradise Bonsai Club right here. This is my tree here. So basically, it's a style that I like, forest, because it reminds me of just the mountains and stuff in general. They were started by cuttings that I've made myself. So we've been probably sitting in pots for like about 10 years or so before I started putting it together. But this is it right here. It's a tree that's, I guess, matched to Hawaii because it grows so well. It's almost like a weed. That's pretty much all I have to say about the tree.
Thank you so much, Mike. I wouldn't think that they would have like junipers here in Hawaii, but they have junipers and they grew surprisingly well. Here's a Pankenkai or a half, not a full cascade. Anytime.
Hi, my name is Louis Martin, and I'm one of the members of the Paradise Bonsai Club here in Hawaii. We're a private club. Our membership is limited to 12 people. We actually meet at one of the members' houses. I got started in 2004. What happened was somebody gave me a tree. I took it to the mainland for a couple years. It died. So when I came back, they told me I needed to go to class. And at that time, they had what's called the Hawaii Bonsai Association, had a class. And from out of that class, I got invited to this class. So this club, and so I've been in this club ever since then.
Awesome. You can talk about the tree really quick.
Yeah, so this tree here, this is the juniper. I actually got it from my sensei in 2010. And I've basically just been reconfiguring it and getting it to grow.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here's a really small shohin that I always want to try to find and pick up. It is a parrot's beak in a Moyogi style. Really cool. Very small tree. Nice shohin, I think.
Hi, my name is Janice, and this is my bonsai tree. It's called Parrot's Beak. And I belong to the Paradise Bonsai Club in Kailua. And I acquired this tree from one of our bonsai members. And I just love it.
Awesome, thank you. I come to Hawaii, this is kind of what I think of what I would be seeing, not junipers, but ficus. And this is a banyan, benjamina. Nice twin trunk here. Awesome foliage. Kind of nice there, really nice. What I'm used to seeing in Southern Cal is a dwarf jade or a Portulacaria afra. This is a really small variety, smaller than I would think. Awesome composition actually for a small tree. Look at that. There's a Chinese banyan. It's a type of fig. No, not fig, ficus tree. I'm not sure what type. If you guys know what type of ficus this is, please put that in the comment. I would love to hear that. It is a twin trunk, almost informal upright. Here's a bougainvillea or boogie. Hasn't been transferred to pot yet, but eventually that should be a really cool tree, especially in Hawaii. Here's a prostrata juniper in a windswept. And traditionally that's done correctly. I've seen a couple of these trees here in Hawaii driving around the North Shore. Looks exactly like that.
I'm Kathy Evie. I'm with the Paradise Bonsai Club, and this is my little tree. I'm starting to make my first windswept that I have ever tried to make, and the lady I bought this from is not too happy because it was a nice full bushy tree when I bought it, and I think it's going to be a gorgeous little windswept tree, and I'm really excited about it.
Awesome, thank you. There's a small Nana. Here's a vegetated. You know, these things don't grow too well in Southern Cal, especially the variegated dwarf jade or the portacaria. And here are some trees in training. That's coming up here. This is a kiwa. It looks like a mimosa tree almost, with the multiple segmented leaves, some dead wood. Really cool. Looks like a collected tree. Can't go home without a tanuki. Here's a tanuki. A tanuki again is a deadwood tree that died, and they wrapped a live tree to it, basically using that as the shellness. And here's a portocarpus. You know this in Florida as a nice yard tree, or Southern Cal, really tough, really a tree to really get it done. Here's the rest of the trees line up. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe. Again, that's from the Paradise Bonsai Club here in Hawaii. Aloha, everybody.